So, good day everyone. I am General Chris Jaram, a midshipman from PMI Colleges Bohol, section J2F-1. And for today's activity, I will be discussing about the intact buoyancy and how ship's stability will be affected in its bridge. So, first of all, what is intact buoyancy? Or ano nga ba ang intact buoyancy? Intact buoyancy refers to the total volume of a ship above the waterline o yung total volume ng ship sa mataas na waterline that contributes to its ability to stay afloat and maintain stability. Ito yung intact buoyancy, yung nagpamanatili na maging stable ang isang barko. This includes spaces like cargo holds, ballast tanks, accommodation areas, and void spaces. Intact buoyancy determines the ship's ability to withstand external forces just like waves, wind, and load changes without compromising stability or submerging in critical areas. Now, how stability relies on intact buoyancy? So, there are three major terms that can affect the stability which relies on the intact buoyancy. It is the reserve buoyancy, rightening moment, and freeboard. So, reserve buoyancy. Ano nga ba reserve buoyancy? Reserve buoyancy or intact buoyancy contributes to reserve buoyancy, which is the volume of the ship above the waterline that remains available to support flotation if the ship experiences increased displacement which due to the water ingress. More reserve buoyancy, the greater the ability to recover from heeling or trimming forces. Less reserve buoyancy, increased vulnerability to capsize the ship. Rightening moment. Rightening moment or that affects the intact buoyancy influences the rightening arm or the GZ and the ship's ability to return to an upright position after heeling. Breaches in intact buoyancy reduce the ship's ability to generate a rightening moment, leading to compromised stability. Freeboard. Freeboard. Intact buoyancy directly affects the freeboard or the distance between the waterline and the upper deck of the ship. A breach can reduce freeboard and increase the risk of submersion. Before we continue about the effects of breach of intact buoyancy, before we continue explaining the effects of breach intact buoyancy, I would like to highlight what is breach. Breach is a compromise or of a ship's hull resulting in a loss of buoyancy and affecting the vessel's stability. So I will explain the effects of breach in intact buoyancy. Ships afloat because of buoyancy. But what if that buoyancy is compromised? When water gets inside a ship through breach compartments, it affects stability in key ways. Loss of reserve buoyancy, reduction in freeboard, shift in center of gravity, free surface effect, and change in trim. The ship's ability to handle more weight is reduced. Too much water and it will sink. Reduction of freeboard, the ship sits lower. Waves can wash over the deck, causing more flooding, which can capsize the ship. Shift in center of gravity. Water raises the center of gravity, making the ship unstable. If it gets too high, the ship can capsize. Free surface effect. Water slushing inside makes the ship roll more, further reducing stability and increasing the risk of capsizing. Change in trim. Change in trim, the ship tilts affecting steering and safety. And that's all for today's activity. I hope you learned something. Once again, I am General Chris Jaram from section J2F-1.